Hi friends, in this video, we will introduce the concept of control flow. A simple Python program can be treated as a block of code where each statement is executed by the Python interpreter in linear direction from top to bottom. But real world problems are a bit complex or non-linear in nature and require us to develop programs where we have some control over the execution of the code, like skipping or executing a block of code based on certain conditions, executing a block of code repeatedly, redirecting the execution to another set of statements, and terminating or breaking up the execution of a block. This control over the flow of execution of a code is provided via control flow statements. These statements can be categorized as sequential statements that are linearly executed, selection statements that execute blocks based on some criteria, iteration or repetition statements that can repeatedly execute a code block, jump statements that can redirect the flow of execution, procedural abstraction, where a sequence of statements are referenced as a single function or method call, recursion, where a method or function calls itself again and again, and exception handling statements, which handle the code execution when due to the occurrence of some condition, the normal flow of control is abandoned. In the next set of videos, we will go through some of these control flow constructs in detail.